Hey, wait, traders, look at this. Monad is up 18%, yeah, 18 over the last 30 days, and it's just sitting there around $0.027, and the 24-hour volume it's really catching eyes. It's doing that thing where you go, wait, is this it? Is this the moment? I mean, seriously, are we gearing up for the next big bullish move, or oh gosh, is this some kind of trap? And look, we just shared our latest Monad price analysis. It's all there, the support levels, the target zones, all that stuff over on our Patreon. I put it all in there, like really tucked it in so you can dig through it the way I found that watch in the drawer. If you're curious, just $10. The tester plan, that's it. It's such a simple way to see if our insights line up with how you trade, you know. Just check it out. The link's right there in the description. And hey, as always, do your own research, okay? This is not financial advice.